Allow us to present the MaxxMacro 2921 Wire EDM SuperVise and the MaxxMacro 2922 Wire EDM SuperVise. Mounting on HP, Magnum, or leveling adapter, they bring unrivaled versatility to your setup. And with their 100% cross-compatibility with System 3R, make compound machining operations quick and accurate, allowing seamless integration with other systems and parts. As a wire EDM vise, MaxxMacro 2921 allows for clamping rectangular workpieces up to 77mm, while the MaxxMacro 2922 securely clamps rectangular workpieces up to 100mm, both with a tightening torque of 3 Nm, delivering unmatched precision and stability during the machining process of small workpieces. Crafted from stainless steel 440C with a hardness of 48 to 52 HRC, these SuperVises ensure optimal performance even in the most demanding machining conditions. Elevate your WEDM capabilities with the MaxxMacro Wire EDM SuperVises. Contact us today or visit our website to unlock the true potential of your CNC machining.